Hi parents, this is Coach Wan here from Learning Out of the Box, and thank you for watching our channel. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about self-care. Yeah, so I think the typical self-care tips that you could have heard from your friends or other people is like, please go for your me time, and then also at the same time, do you like shopping? Yes, now it's Christmas sale and it's a very good time to go and do what you like to do. Yeah, or versus maybe just going to the beach and then just chilling out or going for holidays. Yeah, okay. But at the same time, based on my own experience, a lot of times, my friends who are working adults and they told me that even though they went to do something that they think that they would enjoy, but in the headspace, it's all about work. Yeah, so I think it's also very important to really fill up the 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 thoughts, yeah, in the headspace and really to be present in the presence, or yes, to be present and presence, yeah, and then also enjoying your time with your family as well as really if you are by the beach chilling out and then holding your favorite drink and lying down there on the beach chair and then enjoying the breeze. Oh my god. And then watching the seagull. Not sure if there's seagull in Singapore. Yeah, probably in other countries. Yeah. Be 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 present. Yeah, be present and then not think about work. Probably even to the extent of just putting your mobile phone on airplane mode for say half an hour. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And the other thing that I want to talk about is something that is on a deeper level and it can be a bit sensitive as well. So I will see how I can do that. Yeah, because the intention is definitely to empower you to better support your child. Yeah, and I want to be there with you and for you as well. Okay, so here goes. Yeah. Um I realized that as I talk to more friends who are parents themselves, and when it comes to talking about a achievement, failures, grades, success, yeah, and I realized that my sense is as we are talking about their children and how they define success, um, how they define their children's success is somehow also associated to how the parents themselves see success or how they feel about success, and also how they have experienced success in the past. Yeah, and I think okay, maybe I can share with you my story. When I was very young, and my father passed on when I was 15 years old. So um, for the longest time, he had always shared his story with me on how, on one of his regrets of not being able to go to a university. Yeah, and even though he at the age of 21, even though then he had passed away for 6 years. Yeah, but I still hold on. Then I still hold on to the load, the his dream, not my dream, that I should go to university as well. Yeah, and on the day that I have graduated, and I've I heard myself telling myself, Papa, this dream is for you. I have fulfilled your dream. And then I went to do something else. Yeah, I was a social worker for 7 years, even though I graduated from mechanical engineering, specializing in aerodynamic. Yeah, yeah. But I realized that it was like his dream rather than my dream. Yeah. So let me share my story. I'm very mindful of the fact that children do hold on to their parents' dream. I mean, some kids do. And not just that, parents are very sensitive people, and they can also feel what the parents are feeling. even though parents are not saying much, but they can feel it. Yeah. That goes to anxiety, nervousness, insecurity, anger, anger and regrets. Yeah, and these are some of the many things that we want to talk about as well. Yeah. So having said that, my kid just came in, so sorry, just got distracted. Yeah. So I'm very mindful of how I behave and also what I say in front of my kids. Yeah. Very intentional as well, because I, as much as possible within my means as a parent, I want to bring my children up to be confident young adults. Yeah. And how I react to, or how I respond, or rather I think react is a better word, how I react sometimes unknowingly to failures, be it small or big. I'm very mindful of that. Like I do not act out. Yeah, I mean, I'm a human being after all, and sometimes I do. But I quickly catch myself doing that. And if I do something that is not helpful and even may at times give my child a negative experience, I will want to apologize within the same day. Yeah, so this is my home practice. Yeah. So having said that, what are some of the intentional things that you do on a daily basis, such that you are able to help your child to be confident as well as to have a positive relationship with failures, things that didn't go as well as they have wanted. Yeah. And then also to walk through with them. Yeah. And at the same time, I also want to share about how comfortable are you to be vulnerable, just acknowledging that you are also a human being and you are growing and you are trying to be a better parent today than yesterday, and you're learning together with your kid as well. And at times maybe even sharing with your kid that I need your support. Yeah. Okay. So these are some of the things that I do personally, and whatever helps, just take it. Yeah, because at the end of the day, the intention is definitely for us to help our children to build up a strong mind as well as a strong mindset. Yeah, because we want them to thrive not just in school, but also in life. Yeah, so that's my intention. Okay, so I see you around and take care and enjoy your day.